Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create super cute quilling basket with the handmade flower decoration. Isn't it looking super pretty? You can give this cute basket filled with chocolates, gifts, anything to your loved ones. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need scissor, groove golf tool, ball tool, embossing pad, green and pink color sheets, pink and yellow archival ink, some sponge applicators, green and white micro pearls, quilling tool, liquid glue, quilling mold, some flowers and leaves cutouts, light pink color 5 mm strips and some multicolored 3 mm strips. First I am taking this bottle cap which is having 6 cm diameter, and here I am taking pink color 5 mm strip and I will just create a ring around this cap. I have joined total 15 strips here and now I am making a big ring. So we have reached till the end of 15th strip. Now I will just add glue and secure this ring. So this is done. Now I will just open this ring using my fingers slowly and I will create a dome shape. Like this. Then I am adding glue inside the dome and spreading it using brush to make it sturdy. Like this. In the same way I have created one more dome of same size. So we need total 2 domes. Now I will just connect both the domes with each other. So just add glue in the bottom and connect with the other dome. Allow it to dry for some time. Now I am taking one cardboard circle which is having 7 cm diameter and I will wrap it using off-white color paper. Now I'm adding one pink color circle on top of this. And then I will connect my basket with the base. So this is done. Now I'm taking these two pattern paper strips which measures 24 by 2 centimeters, and I will connect both the strips with each other. Here I am creating a handle for our basket. So I will connect it like this. So just add little glue on the ends of both the basket. I'm just curling it little bit using my fingers. Add glue and hold it for some time. So it's fixed and the basket is ready. Now we will decorate it. So I'm starting with my first quilling shape. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of white and half strip of pink color, and I'm making one tight dome shape. Adding glue inside the dome. So we need total 24 these type of coils, and I will add these coils in the center of our basket. So this is done. Now I'm starting with the next shape. For this I'm taking half strip of yellow color and 1/4 strip of purple color, and I'm making one teardrop shape. So we need total 48 these type of coils. Now I will add these coils in top and bottom between each tight coil dome. So I have added all the teardrops and it will look like this. Now I'm starting with my next shape. For this I'm taking half strip of light green, half strip of white and one strip of dark pink color, and making one pointed teardrop shape. So we need total 36 these type of coils. Here first I am adding these shapes only on the top portion of our basket. I will not add these shapes in the bottom right now because I am planning to add paper flowers first. So the upper row is completely done. Now I'll start with the bottom decoration. Before that, I am taking one more green circle which is having 9 centimeter diameter. I have just covered the cardboard circle using green paper, and on this space I will connect the flower. So just for the support I am adding this big size circle. So connect your basket with the green base. And now I will start with my flowers. So I have these 6 petals, big and small size flower cutouts. These are die cuts, but you can use any kind of shape of your choice. You can also use punches if you have. Now I am coloring these flowers from half side using yellow color, and also coloring from back. Now I am taking my pink peony color and I will color remaining half portion using this pink shade. So I will color only one big and one small flower. So these two are with yellow pink and these two are with yellow white. Now I am just sprinkling little water on these flowers to make it wet from both the sides, and I will absorb the excess water using tissue paper. Now taking my embossing pad, and from back side of each flower I will shape using small size groove golf tool. Then just rotate your flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. Now I will connect the yellow white with yellow white and pink yellow with pink yellow. Now I'm adding little glue in the center and just sprinkling white micro bead pearls on this pink yellow flower and green color micro bead pearls on this white yellow flower. In this way I have created lots of same kind of flowers. Now take back your basket, and here in the bottom I will add total 6 flowers covering the half portion of our basket base, and here I am adding these flowers alternatively, that is first yellow white, then yellow pink, then again yellow white, and so on. just complete it. And here I have added total 6 flowers and I have covered the half portion of our basket. Now to fill this remaining half gap, I am adding the remaining pointed teardrop shapes. So this is also done. Isn't it looking very pretty? Now I will start decorating the handle. So here I have added flowers on left side. So I will decorate the right side of handle, just the opposite side. So I will start adding some more flowers here. And this is done. Here I have decorated by adding some leaves also, and also added leaves in the bottom. And the handle I have decorated with this paper border. So the beautiful basket is ready. Now you can just keep any gift inside this. So here I have this cute crochet teddy bear. This is handmade by me, and you can just gift it to your loved ones, or you can also fill this basket with some chocolates or keychain, earring or watch, anything which you want to gift. Super cute, isn't it? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.